Hello friends, so welcome to day 6 of 90 days spoken English challenge. So friends, today I will tell you how I learn spoken English on Jostock application. You know what? I have been using Jostock Jostock application from past 5 months. Yes, you heard it right, and I am using that Jostock application regularly, and I do practice on Jostock application. So most of the subscriber my family, I think they know about Jostock application, and if you don't know, so I think you can search on YouTube uh, Jostock application, about Jostock application. And yeah, so every day I do practice on Jostock application around more than 1 hour. Yes, and I will try to speak with so many people so that I can learn English through active learning. Let me tell you what is active learning or passive learning. Let me tell you what is active learning and passive learning. You know what, brother? You know what? Most of the people, most of the young boys, children, they learn English from the childhood, but still they don't speak, don't know how to speak English. Why? This is only due to passive learning. What we learn from our school, from our classes, that is passive learning, because we all uh, consume more and more English grammar lesson, English English content like English movie. We watch English movie and English YouTube video, but still we are not able to speak in English language. So what is the reason behind it? Only if you consume so much English content, you read so much English related book, then you are not going to speak English, because you are a passive learner. If you don't know how to express what you learned, means what you today consume, if you do not know how to express through your tongue, through your speaking, so you are not going to be fluent in English. So try to express through your tongue, try to speak with more and more people, so that uh, you can express what you learned. So every day try to express, try to communicate with more and more people, so that what you learned you can express through your tongue, through communication skill. So I think it's called active learning. So if you want to improve your communication skill, so you can join Jostock application. You can take Jostock application subscription. Yes, I think Jostock subscription you can buy at 600 rupees, and it will be worth for you. Definitely, you can improve your communication skill definitely. And I am using Jostock application from past 5 months. So this is all about how you can improve your communication skill and spoken English. So friends, this is day 6 of 90 days spoken challenge. And second thing, in our area it is too cold, you can say. So bye bye, we will meet in next blog, next video. Thank you for watching this video.